All right, let's take a look at number 5. There's actually 3 different parts. Are they similar? Part A. And then in blue, if they are, what's the statement? It's part B in blue. And then in green, find the scale factor. That'll be the green part, 5C. All right. Are these shapes similar? Well, angle D is congruent to angle W. They're both right angles. And let's check out to see if these sides are proportional. So our two sides are 12 and 8. Put both of those sides on the top of a ratio. And then 12 corresponds to 9 because they're the long leg. And 8 corresponds to 6. So long leg of this triangle divided by the long leg of that triangle. Short leg of the left triangle divided by the short leg of the right triangle. These are both equal to 4/3. So they're proportional. So the angle included between the two sides, that angle pair is congruent, and the two sides are proportional. So yes, by the SAS similarity theorem, these triangles are similar. All right, if they're similar, write the statement. Well, there's 6 different ways we can write them. If I go in alphabetical order, D, E, F, then I started at the right angle, and it went down the short leg to E, and then across the hypotenuse. So right angle, short leg, hypotenuse, D, E, F. Right angle, short leg, hypotenuse, W, X, Y. Any of these will work. But if you change it from what I have, then the answer is different. The third letter, F, has to match up with the third letter, Y. So wherever F is, it's got to match up with Y. If F is in front, then Y's got to be in front, etc. So all these are equivalent. Any one of them will do. All right, finally, part C. Remember when we look for the scale factor, as we do a transformation from one triangle to another one, the scale factor will be the image part over the pre-image part. And these are corresponding parts. So if we do DF over WY, that's the long leg divided by the long leg. Those are corresponding parts, long over long. And we're going from B to A. So we're moving from this triangle to this triangle. So it's the image that goes on top. So 12 on top, 9 on the bottom. We also could have done 8 on top and 6 on the bottom. And that also would have reduced to 4/3. That's how we find the scale factor.